What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. For today's video, we have a special guest in the building.
My name is Sean. I'm from Miami, Florida.
Oh shit, I can't even crank the car. Hold on.
There you go. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
We're gonna cut that shit out.
But if you guys haven't, if you guys own a knife gen, you guys probably do watch me, because I know a lot of you guys hit me up to collab with Zosh. My YouTube channel is called Zoovie, Z-O-O-V-I-E.
I have a link down below.
Thank you, appreciate that.
Yes, sir.
My car's full Botons, E85.
Whoa! We ain't gonna get into all that yet. You feel me? Hold on, pimp.
My fault.
So for today's video, we're driving Zoovie's 9th Gen SI. Now you guys know me, I'm not the biggest fan of these things, but he's like, yo, I think I got a car that might change your, your whole input on these cars. I was like, man, I don't know. Then he sent me some pictures and I was like, okay. Saw his YouTube channel, even collab with hybrid. He got a hybrid shifting in here. We'll talk more about that. Ooh, this exhaust sounds good as hell, son.
Thank you. This
Sheesh.
it's from eBay.
Dead ass?
Dead ass.
Bro, people be sleeping on eBay.
Exactly. The coils, eBay.
Whoa, hey, bro.
But they're not eBay like brand.
I got
coils.
health insurance. So
They
like, if
Rev
this shit
9.
crash.
It's not.
Oh, okay.
Rev 9. You can trust me on these.
All right. But all in all, we are in the 9th Gen today. This one has been tuned on E85. It's flex fuel, right?
Yeah.
So it's flex fuel. So starting off my initial review from this one, then the last one I drove, which was the hybrid bone stock 9th Gen. This has a lot of stuff done to it. It has carbon fiber accents, hybrid racing shifter. You have, what shift cables are you running in here? Stock cables?
Yeah.
Wow, it feels good for stock cables.
Because I have the hybrid racing D in springs.
Oh, okay. There we go. Yeah. So this is actually a proper setup. Now, when you have a 9th Gen, I always recommend, like, okay, if I had a 9th Gen, what I would do is do like the top unit swap. So I put like a K282 Z1 or Z3 top unit onto the short block of the Z7. But these things can hold boost really damn good. So if I wasn't gonna do like the all motor setup, which is like a 2024, I would put boost on this thing, because boost on these 9th Gens are nice. The transmission is shit very smooth. And this thing sounds good. Really good. So you got this car tuned. How much power are we making?
It's E-tuned, so on E85 it's at 225, and then on 93.
Wow, that's not bad for a 9th Gen.
Yeah, and then on 93 is like 223 or something like that, 222. But it's also E-dyno, so the street plays a factor on what you're on. So it might be rating a little bit higher, or it might be rating a little lower. But it does feel preppy for a 9th Gen.
It feels really good. I like it. Damn. Okay. Oh, look at me.
I know you used to revving like past 8,000 and stuff. But mine's right. Mine's going to 78.
78, which is reliable. You don't want to drop the valve in this damn thing.
Yeah.
That would be very much trash.
It would be terrible.
So how long you have this car for?
Shoot, I think about 4 years now.
4 years now? First, like, it was your first car, or like,
no, this is
what's the story behind it?
Well, I had I had like an EK. I think it was EK. I don't remember. I'm not really good with the old chassis like that, but I had an EK. It was a Frankenstein's swap.
Like a B20 swap in it?
No, like a D.
Was it D series?
Yeah.
Oh, like a white bottom with Z series. Okay, I got you.
One night I was with my girl. We just cruising down. A booster won't pull up next to me. I'm like, okay, let's see what it could do. I stepped on it. All hers click.
Oh, motor was knocking.
Yeah.
God damn.
Swapped the motor and then just had issues with it. So I was like, you know what? I'm tired of it. I'm just gonna sell it. Sold it for like $1,000.
That's not bad.
And then I saved up a little money. My girlfriend actually helped me too. Her parents helped me, and they was able to help me get this car.
Wow, now that's love.
So, yeah.
That is love right there. You married her yet?
Huh?
You married her yet?
It's on the way.
I'll put your ass on blast. So if Shorty watches, hey, son.
We 6 years in, so
that's beautiful, man. That is beautiful.
Definitely.
Hell yeah, I gotta find one of them. How much they go for? They expensive?
She's Jamaican. So
you eating good.
Yeah, she crazy.
Rice and peas. Yeah, man. Yo.
She can get crazy sometimes, but it's all love.
That's all women too. So especially island women.
Yeah.
Sheesh. She's like Cop City over here.
She doesn't scream like a Z3, but she screams for what she is.
Yeah, she shot is really damn good.
been gapping everything in Texas.
Damn. What's his name? JBtuned?
Yeah.
Yost, like Y-O-S-T?
No, Y-O-S-H.
Oh, JBtuned.
Yeah, Yost.
Oh shit. Damn, that's why she ain't tuning nobody down south.
Huh?
That's why she ain't tuning like Dept or Hobby or anything like that.
I was tuned with Dept when I was on stock injectors. I like the tune, but also I didn't feel like always having to pay to get retuned. With him, it's free retune.
Yeah, I feel you. I feel you. You gonna make some people mad with that comment though. You know that, right? They're like, oh, he's a cheat. Niggas are broke. Which is facts.
That was facts.
Bruh, this shit be whacked. People, bruh.
I'm not trying to
Like,
pay.
you put one injector in, right?
I gotta pay $300.
$300. Bam!
I
Like,
can't do that,
damn.
man.
Yeah, I feel you on that. Yeah. Dude, and it's like, oh, you pay for what you get, kind of thing. But like, no, there's actually people out there that look out for you and like, yo, man, you
this guy's responds like
right away.
Yeah.
Yeah. Customer service is like the #1 thing for me.
Yeah.
And like when it comes to tuners, like Javi to me, man, Javi the GOAT. Javi is like, he's always there for you.
Right.
And he's local to me, so if I need like an actual dyno tune, I could just, you know, shoot over to like down south and just go get a tune or whatever. But like, I definitely feel you on that, man. It's like choosing your tuner is like choosing your barber. You feel me?
Yeah.
You know what I mean? It's like you gotta be, you can't just be homie hopping to different tuners and shit like that. I definitely feel you on that.
When a Zosh is hot, it shoots some flames.
Oh shit! Look at you all being fast and shit. You gotta watch out, Fast and Furious.
I wish I was fast. You the fast guy here.
Nah, I'm slow as shit.
You the fast guy here.
I be editing my videos and make it seem like I'm fast, dog.
Times 2 speed.
Hey, bro, I'll be on some minuscule zooming speed, son.
Oh man.
So with all the full bolt-ons you have onto the car, well, just all bolt-ons, list like go down and list like what's all done to it.
Engine-wise, I have a K-Tune 3.5-inch intake, short ramp, because I do have a Sosa Performance headlight.
That is nice.
That's really nice. If you guys want to go get one, definitely do. It's worth it.
Yeah, it's really nice.
I have a Skunk 2 downpipe, 3-inch downpipe with a pseudo Zosh, which is a 2.75-inch. What else is done? The flex fuel kit, tuned on 85 and 93. RBC, stock RBC, didn't feel like porting it. Stock throttle body.
Yeah, that's all you need, bro. You gotta pour that shit. Unless you going crazy.
Yeah. Stock throttle body. Yeah, that's about it, to be honest. I have shifter bushings from Cutie. I'm gonna switch it to hybrids. I feel like hybrids gonna be more sturdier.
Facts.
That's about it for motorized. And then inside the interior, I have Hybrid Racing new 9th gen shifter,
Which is beautiful, man. This thing ships nice.
I couldn't cover it up.
Bro, the red just acts off like the Honda
seats and everything.
Bro, it's nice, super nice.
Or
how you get the reading? Flash Pro?
No, it goes to the flex fuel sensor.
Okay.
That's in the engine bay, and then to get the power, it goes to my
like a ground
temp.
Oh, cool. Okay.
Yeah, the second one. And that's about it.
Pretty damn cool.
I want to get an AFR gauge now.
And you're tuning on what? Flash Pro, right?
Yeah.
Flash Pro. Okay. Cool. So we're about to hit the highway real quick. Give you guys some nice little let her eat. Give you guys some pools, and you know you can decide if like you're on the market for 9th gen, is it worth buying if you do the correct upgrades. And yeah. God damn, I need to. I don't even know what gear I'm in. This shit's so short. I don't even know what gear I'm in.
See, I told her, but I'm gonna change this in my watch.
Man, the 9th gen is not, dude. I can daily this thing and street drive it. Like, these are good, bro. The way the suspension feels, I feel like it'd be a good track car too.
It actually do make good track cars.
That's what I'm saying. Like, I'm not even like doing anything crazy, but I can just feel like the driver responds. And this has what, the electronic power steering, right?
Oh yeah.
Okay, cool. This is good. brakes and like brakes, brake fluid, and tires on anything, bro, you got a race car.
Yeah.
Seriously, bro, that's all it takes, bro. That's literally all it takes.
So what you feel about the power band?
Power band is sweet. It's not like I like that it's responsive and it's a linear power band. You know what I mean? Like it's very linear for the power that it has. It's nice.
It's very torquey.
It really is. I mean, even in high gears, it still just wants to go.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think if somebody were to think about buying a 9th gen, just put the proper bolt ons in, you good, bro.
I drove a head swap one.
Oh yeah, that's a different ball game. Yeah, that's
perfect. But then again, I drove a booster one. I'm like, amazing. Still on stock clutch too.
Stock clutch?
Yeah.
Oh shit. Damn. I like that. It like even in the high RPMs, they don't want to like not throw you in a gear.
Yeah. I want to boost it and probably just try to, you know, run 10s at the drag.
Oh, you want to do it as a drag car?
Yeah.
I'm gonna change your mind.
Yeah?
I'll make you guys go circuit watch. You gonna want to do circuit watch. All it takes is one of it. Man, this thing sounds good. 9th Gen SI is definitely a car. If you're thinking about getting into like a newer age car, I would recommend this.
We did it, boys.
Unless you got money to buy a CTR, this car. But
damn.
You know what? But I'm saying, like, if you ain't got CTR money, 9th Gen, bro.
We did it, boys.
Way better than that 10th Gen, boys. 9th Gen, this is nice. The body style, it looks good. All these cars really require is lowering.
Yeah.
Or stock wheels, it looks really damn.
Wheels,
bro, I'm telling you, man.
Amazing.
9th Gens are really good looking cars. They really are. To wrap this video up, I highly enjoyed this car. It was a very good experience. Like driving an actual from a stock 9th Gen to a street car 9th Gen. This is it. It has my approval. It don't mean shit, but hey, I like 9th Gen.
It means something to me.
Hey, bro. So if you're watching and you think, my man, should I buy 9th Gen? But Zosh think it's trash. Bro,
do it.
Yeah, for real. Like if I highly advise you just to test drive one to see if you get a feel for, like, you know, driving seat to steering wheel, you know, driver and all that stuff. Right. Do it. You know what I mean? Like, but I would not mind owning a 9th Gen one day. Really I would not mind owning one and turn into like a damn race car. Yeah. I'm talking about big wing. I'm going all out stupid. Cut bumper. I'm dumb. Just dumb. Subscribe to the channel. I'll have the link down below. I really appreciate him coming out here for this review. That was dope. Like, I really appreciate that when people make the effort, like, to do something like this. Trying to race?
I want to race that R8. I'm gonna get that R8 one day.
I don't know about all that, man. Like, I believe in you, pimp, but god damn. But all in all, it's gonna wrap it up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Link down below to his channel, his Instagram, all that. Go show him some love. Subscribe for all my 9th Gen content lovers out there. He'll got you covered in that realm of the YouTube JDM space. Thank you guys for watching. I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next one. We out. Peace.